This episode of My Two Satoshis is brought to you by Archer Tax Group. If, like me, you've incurred losses in 2018's crypto bear market, you need to contact Drew Karnowski for professional cryptocurrency tax consulting. Archer Tax Group can help you get the most from your losses from 2018. So visit archertaxgroup.com and schedule an appointment today. Mention Crypto Blood and receive 10% off of your tax planning services for any individual or business. Archer Tax Group, your crypto tax consultant. Yeah, it's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another episode of My Two Satoshis. It is February 25th, 2019. Shout out to my man Make YouTube Great Again. He's one of my best song requesters on the channel. I just being honest with you. Jay-Z, Marcy Me off the latest 444 album from Jigga Man. Thanks again for the song request, my G. What's good, people? Hope you guys are doing well today. Today we are going to be discussing Ethereum. Finally, it looks like the Constantinople upgrade is coming, though I'm very critical and skeptical of the roadmap that Ethereum leads. But hey, I do believe that they'll finally release this Constantinople upgrade. So we're going to look at that shortly here, get the details on that. I think it's going to roll out Thursday at this point. And I have a link to a countdown if you guys are interested in that as well. Thursday, I forgot what time, but Thursday for sure it should be rolling out. And again, I think this time around it's going to actually do an upgrade. They're going to go ahead and do it, seeing that the last pause was over a bug that really wasn't a bug. And I reported on that as well. The second thing, I don't like XRP, still don't, will never like XRP, but I do report crypto news that is pertinent to the space. Looks like Coinbase has added XRP to their Coinbase Pro accounts. So I'm assuming shortly thereafter, you should see it on the Coinbase side, maybe in the next 2 months. I don't know. I'm just guessing. But we will take a look at this article out of Cointelegraph covering this whole edition. I think you'll be able to start trading XRP on Coinbase Pro tomorrow. So we're going to take a look at both of those articles here shortly. But first, let's go ahead and take a look at that market cap. We're currently at 100 and looks like $31 billion. Bitcoin's dominance is at 52%. And not too much to really talk about here. We did see a little pop after this massive drop we saw yesterday. I'm expecting us to kind of trade sideways here for a while until the market digests completely what we're going to do here. But again, I'm neutral. Anything above 3,000, I am neutral. Anything above 4,200, I am bullish. So that's kind of my stance on everything right now. And again, this is kind of looking at the Bitcoin price from Coinbase, their chart, and it reflects very closely to what the market cap looks like currently. But again, this is what low liquidity looks like. Low liquidity trading. And it really started here around January 19th, guys. After this last drop, once we broke this trend line, it's been straight low liquidity trading here. As you can see, very bad price action. A lot of flatlining, pops ups and pops down. And it really hasn't changed. Even these moves up are just step lock moves up. Nothing really natural in as far as price action goes, because there's no liquidity here, none at all. So we got to see some liquidity come back to the game. I'm hoping we do here in the next couple of months, because this is brutal. So let's take a look at that first article though, out of Cointelegraph, and it is about Coinbase Pro adding support for XRP, and I believe you will be able to start trading your favorite cryptocurrency, if you want to call it that. It's not a cryptocurrency to me, but you'll be able to trade XRP tomorrow, I think. It says here, Coinbase Pro, the professional offering of United States-based crypto trading platform and wallet service Coinbase, is adding support for Ripple's XRP token. Coinbase announced the development in an official blog post on February 25th. It says here, per the announcement, Coinbase Pro will now accept deposits of XRP for a minimum of 12 hours before enabling full trading. Coinbase notes that it will first establish sufficient liquidity on the platform, opening trading pairs in US dollars, euro, and Bitcoin in phases. Full trading for XRP will be available to customers in the United States, Canada, and European Union, the United Kingdom, Singapore, and Australia. Coinbase may expand its services to other countries at a later time. And I do know that people in, I think, New York won't be able to utilize this token. That's like the banking cartel's headquarters right there. So it's not surprising to me. It shouldn't be to you either. XRP trading will go through 4 stages, which includes transfer only, post only, limit only, and then full trading. The first 2 stages will enable users to transfer XRP to Coinbase Pro accounts and post limit orders. The subsequent 2 will allow customers to match limit orders and fully trade with XRP. Over the past several months, Coinbase Pro has been actively expanding its catalog of tokens supporting the platform. In August of 2018, it added support for Ethereum Classic, followed by Basic Attention Token and privacy-oriented altcoin Zcash in November. Support for the aforementioned tokens was later expanded to Coinbase's retail platform, Coinbase.com, and its mobile app. So the addition of XRP to Coinbase has been long awaited by the crypto community. In January of 2018, Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong squashed rumors that the exchange was adding support for XRP in the short term. Following Armstrong's announcement, the market value of XRP crashed from over $148 billion to just $126 billion. At press time, the token is trading at 33 cents, up over 11% on the day and 5.4% on the week, according to CoinMarketCap. So what do you guys think about that? Again, you know, natural progression. I see Coinbase adding XRP. It was written on the wall. You know, they don't have any core values, at least the original core values that the crypto community established. That is not exhibited over at Coinbase. And, you know, hey, there's a market for that, you know, and it's probably bigger than the market that does hold the core values of the cryptocurrency space. So it is what it is. Just wanted to let you guys know that XRP is now available on Coinbase Pro, and I'm assuming will be on Coinbase.com shortly thereafter. So the second article is out of ETH News, and it is about Constantinople. So it looks like it's real this time. They're finally going to roll out Constantinople's upgrade. So we're going to look at the details on that and some of the benefits from this upgrade. So it says here the much anticipated Ethereum hard fork known as Constantinople is set to be implemented at block number 7,280,000, which developers have predicted will take place on Thursday, February 28th. Of course, the exact timing of activation depends on block times between now and then, meaning the upgrade could happen 1 to 2 days before or after this Thursday. Constantinople was initially set to activate last month, but a security vulnerability in ETH 1283, one of the originally included improvement proposals, delayed the upgrade's implementation. Core developers decided to remove the faulty IP and push the hard fork back to block number 7,280,000 to remove IP 1283 from testnets like Robston, which had implemented the change prior to the vulnerability's discovery. A second upgrade called St. Petersburg will occur at the same time as Constantinople. Moreover, despite increased discussion regarding the Create2 opcode and its reported security vulnerability, which would enable attackers to exploit the self-destructed contracts by deploying different code to the same address, that proposal, IP 1014, will still be included in Constantinople. Besides the removal of IP 1283, Constantinople remains the same. Average Ethereum users and ETH holders do not need to do anything to prepare for the upgrade. However, node operators and miners need to download the latest version of whichever Ethereum client they run to ensure they can participate within the post-upgrade Ethereum network. Not upgrading will leave the node operators and miners on an incompatible chain and thus prevent them from receiving and sending ETH. Constantinople can be monitored in real time at forkmon.ethdevops.io, and I will leave a link to the actual countdown timer for the hard fork in the description of this video. So there you have it. It's happening Thursday. Could be earlier, could be later, but I think I'm convinced this time around that it's going to happen, but I'm still not convinced of the future and viability of Ethereum scaling. It's going to be a huge task to go from, again, I've said this before, proof of work to proof of stake while everything is running. This is one of the biggest blockchains in the game, and I'm just, it's nerve-wracking. It would be for me if I were a developer over there in Ethereum, but I'm not. So if I were to develop, it would definitely be on EOS, and I've actually got some ideas that I want to implement on the EOS blockchains in 2019. So that may be something I will be doing. There's another news piece that I haven't covered, and I'm going to cover it tomorrow, and you can probably see it here at the bottom of this article about this $2 million being stolen following a blacklist update failure for one of the top 21 BPs. I'll cover that tomorrow, but that's pretty much it for today. That's crazy, man. Let me know your thoughts on both of these topics covered today. XRP being added to Coinbase Pro, and finally looks like Ethereum is going to do their long-awaited Constantinople upgrade. Shout out to my man, Make YouTube Great Again. Thanks for that song request, brother. And make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. And if you do subscribe, click that bell. That will allow you to be alerted for every upload I put out on this channel. It's your boy Crypto Blood, and that's my 2 Satoshis for February 25th, 2019. I'm out of here, people. Holla!